tell me, what happened?
Why do you care?
Because I care about you.
Look, it's not what he did. It's what he is.
What is he? He's rich, he's powerful, he's used to getting his own way.
Yes, Mr. Brock certainly is that.
Well, Barbara, you've certainly been a sucker for strong, independent men before.
Some of the time, yes.
Wait a minute, does this go back to that credit card bit?
No, we had that out.
Well, what's the problem?
The problem is very simple.
Yeah?
It seems that Mr. Brock... Good afternoon.
Hey, what you doing?
I am signing out.
Oh, banker's hours, huh?
Well, today, yes. I'm off to Dr. Putnam's wedding. Oh, that's right. That's this afternoon, isn't it? Yes, he was kind enough to invite me. He is such a joy to work with. He's a fine doctor, too. Too bad he's taken.
Oh, wait a minute, Barbara. It's only 3:30. The wedding hasn't started if you work fast.
Forget it. He can't see past Celia. They are a lovely couple. I'm sure they're going to be very happy. If somebody is. Would you mind calling me a cab? Not at all. Thank you.
Wait a minute. Don't bother. I'll drive you over.
Terrific. In fact, why don't you come with me? It's going to be a lovely wedding.
Natalie, weddings are on my list of favorite things. Way down there, near flat tires and toxic seafood. But I will give you a lift.
Good. Maybe I can change your mind on the way.
Wouldn't be the first time.
Okay.
See you later, darling.
Have fun.
Barbara,
Did you forget something?
what time do you get off?
4, why?
Would you like to meet me at Kelly's for an early dinner?
That depends.
I'm buying.
And pleading Brock's case?
No, but, you know, the name might come up in a conversation.
Okay, John Alden, you're on. It's a small price to pay for a free meal.
I'll see you when you get off.